In an era where manufacturing is rapidly moving toward higher efficiency, greater intelligence, and stronger connectivity, SZGH is committed to providing practical automation solutions for customers worldwide. From CNC machine tools and industrial robots to CNC control systems, servo drives, and complete automation solutions, SZGH helps small and medium-sized manufacturing enterprises improve production efficiency and build smarter factories. Every product is developed through research, design, testing, and a deep understanding of real factory needs. The core strength of SZGH lies in our manufacturing system. At our CNC machine tool manufacturing center, every machine undergoes assembly, inspection, commissioning, and testing to support stable daily production. From CNC milling machines and CNC lathes to drilling and tapping centers, our equipment serves real production scenarios such as milling, turning, drilling and tapping. At our robotic automation manufacturing center, every robot goes through strict component inspection, precision assembly, wiring, calibration, and durability testing. For SZGH, quality is more than a standard. It is the core principle that runs through every process. From machine tool structures to control systems, from robotic motion to complete production line integration, we consistently focus on stability, precision, and long-term reliable operation. Our solutions are widely used in welding, loading and unloading, palletizing, material handling, CNC automation, and many other applications. By integrating CNC machine tools, industrial robots, and control systems, SZGH helps small and medium-sized manufacturing enterprises reduce manual operations, improve production efficiency, and gradually complete their automation upgrades. Every machine tool and robot is strictly tested, professionally packaged, and safely delivered to customers around the world. SZGH, made in China, shared worldwide.